the Robotics Club of St. Kabir School. In this club, we have divided students into two groups. Students of class 5th, 6th and 7th are doing robotics with help of EV3 Mindstrong. And students of class 8 are learning robotics and automation with help of Arduino and C program. The main motive of this club was to teach students about latest technologies with which they can do automation, learn basic of robotics and how to program a robot, so that in near future, when they opt a career, they have a better option.
Ready to rock and roll? We have created this electronic guitar with an IR and an ultrasonic sensor.
This Lego guitar can be played almost like the real guitar. Pop the string and slide your fingers across its fretless neck and bend the notes using the tremolo bar to produce one of the most amazing guitar solos.
Presenting our robot Humanoid. It is the most advanced of the Lego robots. It consists of 4 motors and 2 sensors.
The 2 motors are connected to the tank tires. It is equipped with a blasting bazooka and a tri-plane spinner.
Even the Storm is the superior in both intelligence and in power.
Raptor is a tall, long and powerful robot which can strike with its fearsome fangs when it detects something with its IR sensor.
The missions are straightforward. First, slither like a snake. This includes the building of the body and tail and getting it to roll forward while turning left and right. Second, rattling raptor. This completes the build of the robot. Third and fourth are programming.
Tracker is a crawler-mounted, all-terrain robot with 4 interchangeable tools.
The 4 tools are Blender, the gripping claw, hammer and the blasting bazooka.
Bluetooth controlled light which works with the help of relay, and we have constructed this circuit using Arduino. We need to download a mobile application for the purpose of switching it on and off.
Temperature and humidity sensor is a device which detects temperature and humidity of a room and displays it on the LCD. We have also added a feature by which we can control the contrast and the backlight of the LCD.
I have made an RFID door lock which can be used to secure doors and locks. Different key combinations can be used so that stolen or lost cards do not affect security. When wrong cards are put, the red LED goes off, a buzzer sounds and a message is sent to the home network. When the right LED is switched on, when the right card is put, the green LED switches on and the door opens, and after 10 seconds it closes.
This is a flame sensor circuit. This circuit is used to check whether or not there is fire at a place. Whenever we bring any source of fire near it, it sends a warning message to our laptop. The future model of this would be that we will add a water pump and also a warning messaging system.
I have made a Bluetooth remote control car using Arduino. I use motor shield by attaching 4 motors to it. I can control this car using my mobile phones by installing Bluetooth control app in my phone, according to which this car will move in whichever direction I want.
During this club, we took many students for various competitions in which they took part in Robo Fight, Robo Race, Tug of War, Royal Rumble and won various prizes. With this, they get exposure which helps them to learn technology in much better way. Thank you.